Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to unbox and test out this wireless microphone. I've been looking for a little wireless microphone for quite a while, and this is probably the most affordable one you can find on Amazon, AliExpress, eBay and many other online sites. This cost me just 99 cents USD, so this is a very basic one, an entry level I guess. Let's see how good the mic is quality wise when compared with mics which cost hundreds of dollars. I'm going to put it to the test today to see if it's worth buying, what expectations and needs that it can fulfill. Will it be able to cut down on the echo while the microphone is being close to the receiver? That means it only listens to my voice rather than the echo of this room. And I'm going to test it using my mobile as the recording device, and how far I can move without the audio quality being compromised. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person, but if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. The box is very light, yes, and the front says wireless microphone, live show, interview, vlog, short video, and I've ordered the one with the single mic with USB-C connection. The same thing on this side as well. On the back it says plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive, widely compatible. This side it is marked as for type C and single mic. Let's open the box and see what's inside. It has kind of a premium look. Can open it by sliding out. Mic is there with a clip in the middle, is all plastic. Power on off switch at the bottom. USB-C charging port here. It's covered with a dust protector. Here is the receiver with the USB-C connector. Can be plugged into any USB-C port. No power on off switch. And then there is another USB-C female port. Can be used to charge the mobile while this is plugged in. No need to remove if the battery runs low on your device. It's quite a handy way, quite thoughtful. The packaging has kind of a premium look, black velvet. USB-C charging cable separately packed in another box, which enhances its premium look. The packaging. Has the instruction manual in the box. When the mic is powered on, the LED will blink in red and green alternately, and the receiver will blink in green. Once paired, the LEDs on the mic and the receiver will turn to green and will stop blinking. Let's put this to test and see how the audio quality is. I will use the Samsung's inbuilt voice recorder for this purpose.
I'm using this Bluetooth microphone to record the audio onto the phone. Let's see how good the quality is and how the audio sounds. Hi, I'm at a different room right now. Let's see how the recording is, or the quality of the sound recording is. I'm about 10 meters away from the recording device, that is this mobile phone. So I'll show you. So this will give you a clear idea of how good the quality of this mic is.
For me, it seems like the further away I'm to the receiving end or the recording device, the clearer the sound gets. That means the further away, the lesser the echo is. What do you think about this? Put your thoughts in the comment section below. With all that, guys, it's the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like my video. See you in my next video. Have a nice and a lovely day. Bye bye.